Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today, we're taking a fascinating journey through time to explore the history of the Olympic Games. The ancient Olympic Games. The Olympic Games originated in ancient Greece around 776 BC in Olympia, a small town in the Peloponnesian Peninsula. They were held in honor of Zeus, the king of the Greek gods. Early beginnings. The first recorded Olympic Games featured only one event, a foot race of approximately 192 meters called the stadion. Over time, more events were added, including wrestling, chariot racing, and the pentathlon. The Games were part of a religious festival, and athletes competed for glory and the honor of their city-states rather than for medals, to athletic and cultural significance. The Olympics were held every 4 years and were one of the Pan-Hellenic Games, a series of athletic competitions among representatives of various Greek city-states. They played a crucial role in Greek society, emphasizing physical fitness, cultural exchange, and the pursuit of excellence. End of the ancient Games. The ancient Olympics continued for nearly 12 centuries until they were banned in AD 393 by the Roman Emperor Theodosius I, who saw them as part of pagan worship. The revival of the modern Olympic Games. The Olympic Games lay dormant for over 1,500 years until they were revived in the late 19th century. Pierre de Coubertin. A French educator named Pierre de Coubertin is credited with reviving the Olympics. Inspired by the ancient Games and the need for promoting physical education, he proposed the idea of an international athletic competition. In 1894, the International Olympic Committee (IOC) was founded, and the first modern Olympic Games were planned. The first modern Olympics. The inaugural modern Olympic Games were held in Athens, Greece in 1896. This event featured 241 athletes from 14 nations competing in 43 events. Unlike the ancient Games, the modern Olympics introduced the concept of international competition and included a wider range of sports. Expansion and evolution. The Olympics quickly grew in size and scope. The first Winter Olympics were held in 1924 in Chamonix, France, and the Paralympic Games were introduced in 1960. The Games have evolved to include athletes from all over the world, representing a diverse range of countries and cultures. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of the Olympic Games. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content. And as always, keep striving for excellence in all that you do.